That's admittedly different, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Pushes back for sure. But with load, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Right. So this is when the real test starts.
Yeah.
Yes. We felt a lot of variations of different bumps with all the other versions.
Yeah.
With this version and with that load on there, we should feel much less.
Less aggressive.
Right. Because it's already touching, so it's a nice stable bass.
Correct.
Already. Coming up to bump 1. Wow. It takes it back to square one. It feels like when we had no wig on it in the beginning.
Correct.
That's actually really crazy. That's good. I think that's where this shines the most. And I think if you have weight in your truck, this is going to be the best case scenario right here. Even turning feels better, feels easier. You don't feel like you're carrying big weight behind you.